Hello, my name is Jorge Garcia. My opinion on positive and negative effect of technology on the environment is that for year and year us populating of destroying the ozone layer. Only with the speed of growing, innovate and produce technology along with laws were on the side of the environment because otherwise we all fell up out of oxygen tanks. Scientists prove that human being in the drive to create more technology and destroy the ozone layer. It's ozone reality that is technology can help to recover it. That is why it's necessary that we start now with technology to remedy out mistake and use our work and bake. Good morning. Thank you.